welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh into stock, we have this 2025 Harley Davidson Lowrider ST. Finished in Billiard Grey, it's a really cool colour. Gold wheels, the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine. Fairly standard, a couple of little extras on this bike, the number plate holder, genuine low mileage, 2,589 miles, and the front lenses have been smoked as well. LED headlights. If you've got any questions, if you want to make an appointment to have a look at it, please don't hesitate to give me a call, or you can email me, sales@hypermotive.co.uk.